Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about something we all deal with, bathroom storage ideas. Bathroom can get messy, but we have got some clever ideas to help you keep things organized. Let's start. Before we dive into the ideas, let's talk about why bathroom storage is important. Bathrooms are small and it's easy for them to become cluttered. Good storage helps you keep things in order and makes your bathroom look nice. First up, clothing shelves. These are like simple shelves that attach your wall. You can put towel, soap and other stuff on them. They are easy to put up and make your bathroom looks cool. Next thing about cabinets that go above your toilet. These gives you extra space for things like toilet papers and towels. They are super useful especially in small bathroom. Don't forget the space under your sink. You can use organize with pull out drawers and shelves to keep things like soap and cleaning supplies neat. Wall mounted cabinets are another great idea. You can put them up above your sink or base your mirror. They give your storage without thinking up space on the floor. Baskets and bins are like your best buddies for organizing. You can use them to hold small things like makeup, hair stuff, or even extra toilet papers. Upgrade your towel storage with shelves that have racks. You can hang your towel and put other stuff on the shelves like your toothbrush or decorations. Rolling carts are handy because you can move them around. You can use them to keep your bathroom things organized and they are easy to clean. Pegboards walls are not just for garage. You can hang hooks, shelves and baskets on them in your bathroom. It's like a custom storage solution. Lastly, think about magnetic stick. You can use them to stick metal things like tweezers and nail scapulars inside your cabinet doors or on the wall. And there you have it, smart bathroom storage ideas to help you keep your bathroom tidy. Whether you choose floating shelves, cabinets or other creative solutions, these ideas will help you keep your bathroom organized and looking good. If you found these bathroom storage ideas useful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more home important and organization tips.